Hello, welcome to class number 11. In today's lesson, we will be learning about trim and extend. So let us start. We will start with the trim. The command for trim is tr enter. You can write it in the command or you can take it from the ribbon panel. You have it over here, trim and extend. So let us start in a simple way. Let us say that you have a line and you have another line over here, and you want to cut this part of the line. So you want to cut this part of the line from this line. So this becomes the cutting edge. So go to the command tr enter. So when he is asking you select the object, that means he is asking you a cutting edge. So this is the point from where I want to cut this line. Dotted enter. Now he is asking you select the object to trim. So this is an object I want to trim, so I will make a selection, I will be able to trim it. Another way of trimming is that, let us say that you have a circle and you have a lot of lines outside going this, and if you go to the command again trim tr enter, and here if you press again enter, you will be able to cut all the lines from the first intersection point. So this is how we did it. So let us go to the sub menus of the trim. For that, I have a circle and I have a line, and I will go to the command array to make it PO enter polar. I will select this as a center point, and I will go to the item I enter, and I will say I want 20. So now I have 20 items, but remember that when you do this, this will be as a one entity, so you have to explode it. So I am putting X enter so that I can explode it and make it a single entity. Anyhow, so let us say that now you want to trim all this line from this cutting edge. So again I will go to the command trim tr enter. Now here I am going to select the cutting edge, that is a circle, enter. Now here I can make the fence. So I will go to the fence and I start making a fence, and before you make the fence, try to switch off this object snap and then you start fencing it. One, put F8 for an incline, you are making a fence, you can see, and the moment you go to the last one and you say enter, you can cut all the lines from the edges. Let us see another sub menu of trim. So if I have a line and I have few more lines and I want to cut these part of the line. So if I go to command tr enter, I can select the cutting edge, enter, and now here I can press the cross. Now the cross allow me to make either like this cross or like this cross. It cuts, enter. So this is about the trim command. We will go to the next option. Let us go to the trim next option. In this, what we will do is that we will go to one 3D view, and with the line command I am going to make some 3D sort of thing. So though it looks that it is intersecting at these point, but actually if you see it, they are not. You can see they are not intersecting. So let us say that I will keep one of the view something like this, and now though they are not intersecting at this point, you can see it, but still we will try to trim this part of the line. So I will go to the trim command tr enter. I will select the object from where I want to trim it, that is a cutting edge, enter. In this I will select the project P enter, and I will go to the view V enter. or you can even select here. And now in the view, when I go and select this part, you can see I have trimmed it. Though it looks that it has trimmed from the intersection, but if you go and check it from here, it has not. So this is how you do the trim in case of a view. So there is another option. We'll select, we'll check that also. That is a UCS. So in case of a UCS, that is a user's coordinate system. I'll just go on the top, and you will see that this is how it looks on the top. And I'll just going to make this over here, join this part, and I'll just take this part from here to here. Now you will see that if I go to its 3D view, this looks like this, right? Now again, if I go to its top view, it moves like this. Now though these points are not intersecting, you will see, though it's not intersecting, and if I go to one 3D view from here, I'll just extend this part a little bit from here. So now in this view, you feel as if it is getting intersected from here, but it is going to get trim with respect to this view, which is a UCS, user's coordinate system. So let us go over here, and I'll try to trim this line. Again, I go to the trim command, enter. I will select the object, I'll say enter, and here I'll select the projects, P, enter, and then I will select a UCS, that is U, enter, and I'll select the part which I want to trim it. You can see I have trimmed it, and it has not trimmed from this point. Actually it has trimmed from this point. So this is all about the trim command with respect to project. Another option in the trim command is with respect to H. So we will select that also. For H, what I'm going to do is that I'm just going to make few lines. Let us say number one, and I'll select this. Now they all are separate entity. Now if I go to command trim, TR, enter, though this point is not getting intersected at this point, but still if I go to the command trim, and if I select the cutting edge of this, enter, and if I select this part, it is going to cut from that point. So edge helps us to trim the object from the point where the line will go and apparently meet the point. So this is all about the trim command. Let us go and check the extend command, which is actually similar to a trim command. All the options are similar to trim command. So let us say that you have a line, you have another line. Let us say this line, I'll just change the color to yellow, and this I'll change the color to green. So let us say that we'll have an option now. Let us say that this line I want to extend till this point. If I go to the command extend, EX, enter, and if here I press again enter, and then if I select the object to extend, it is go and meet the first intersect point, then to second, and then to third. Let us say that I want that this should go and meet yellow at this point. So I'll go to the point, I'll go to the command EX, enter, and I'll select the first, the line till where I want to extend this line. So this is that line, dotted, enter, and then I will select the line which is to be extended. So this is the one, it is going to go and hit at this point. Let us go to the another point. Let us go to the next, that let us say that I want to extend this line till the green line. So I'll go to again EX, enter, I'll select the line till where I want to extend the red line, dotted, enter, and then I can select the line which I want to extend till here. So this is all about the extend other commands remains the same. Like for example, if you have line and there is another line, though it doesn't meet, though it doesn't, this line doesn't crosses this line, but even though if I go to the command ex enter, I will select the object till I want it to get extended, enter, and here if I go and select edge, it is going to select the point till that point. So this is all about the extend. Thank you very much. I hope you have understood the practical. If you have any questions, please do ask, and thank you very much. Thank you for watching my video. If you have liked my video, kindly subscribe. If you have any questions, please do ask. You can write on YouTube, search Engineer Nasir AutoCAD. This is my channel. You can click it and you can subscribe. Thank you very much.